Kakanun Menteri Kelai kejing Mynjur kejing terwaban kentio no arsha ya ka Shuti casual leave Nongtrei Sorkar na ka khatsan Sngi syakalai pau Sngi. Uba poleng do ulong bakladon lupa kejing penbet bat ka sekolah ya ka balalap baklalong ka balarembha. Bat ikisi ka balasya ban Shuti Nongtrei Sorkar leng ba ka casual leave kalong tang khatsan Sngi ya ka Shisnem. Ndek Sorkar menta klarai ban ai Shuti no lai pau Sngi.
There was an existing arrangement, a circular, which has now been found to be outdated, where the number of days allowed for government employees to avail of special casual leave was just 15 days in a year. We decided today that the number of days would now be doubled to 30 days. And more importantly, the need to allow government employees who are also taking part in games, sports, and athletic meets. And whenever such occasions where various sports and games requiring the participation of government employees is concerned, that particular period will be treated as a period where government employees are actually performing their duties and will not be counted as leave. This will also help the state in meeting various requirements, especially in view of the forthcoming national games.